Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Carhelpout here. A simple way to get an independent certified mobile mechanic service to come to you at any location at your convenience. Today, we're diving into the most common problems with the 2017 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe two-door sports. If you're considering buying one or already own this model, this video is for you. We'll be taking a deep dive into the issues that have been reported by owners, and I'll give you all the details you need to know. If you're struggling to come up with cash for an emergency auto repair, you're not alone. That's why Auto Car Repair Loans offer a convenient way to gain quick access to the money you need when an emergency pops up. With loans up to $2,500 to $5,000. Visit carhelpout.com/repair loan to get started today. Don't forget, if you ever need to sell your house fast and as-is condition anywhere in the U.S., either to stop foreclosure, avoid county tax auction, or unwanted house, go to boracina.com/carhelpout and get a relief under house burden. Don't forget, if your local small business or good service website needs more traffic exposure from Google, Yahoo, Bing, and other search engines, go to carhelpout.com/SEO. They can help you when it comes to local SEO and online digital marketing service consulting.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
All right, let's start with the heart of the beast, the engine. The 2017 Camaro came with a variety of engine options, and overall, they're pretty solid. One common complaint is excessive oil consumption, particularly in the V6 engine. Some owners have reported having to top off their oil between oil changes. Another issue is a rough idle, often caused by a dirty throttle body or spark plugs that need replacing. For those with the V8 engine, you're generally in good shape, though there have been isolated reports of rocker arm issues. These engines are known for their reliability. Keep an eye on these potential issues to ensure your engine runs smoothly.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Moving on to the transmission, the 2017 Camaro was available with either a 6-speed manual or an 8-speed automatic. The manual transmission can be a bit notchy, especially when shifting from first to second gear. As for the 8-speed automatic, there have been reports of it shifting harshly or hesitating between gears. This could be due to a software issue, so a simple update might do the trick. Another thing to watch out for with both transmissions is clutch shudder, a vibration felt when starting off from a stop. It's usually more noticeable in hot weather. Not a major issue, but something to be aware of.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Now, let's talk about the electrical system. One common issue is the battery draining prematurely, possibly due to a faulty alternator or a parasitic draw. Another issue is the infotainment system freezing or rebooting randomly. A software update might fix the problem, but sometimes the entire unit needs replacing. Some owners have also reported problems with the headlights flickering or burning out prematurely. This could be due to a faulty wiring harness or a problem with the headlight control module. Overall, the electrical system is reliable, but has its quirks.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Okay, let's move on to the suspension. The 2017 Camaro is known for its sporty handling, but that comes at the cost of a somewhat stiff ride. One common complaint is that the suspension can be too harsh over bumps and dips, especially with larger wheels and low-profile tires. Another issue is premature wear on the suspension components, particularly the bushings and ball joints. If you're experiencing any clunks or rattles, it's a good idea to have it inspected by a mechanic. The stiff suspension setup might be to blame, or it could be a sign of poor quality control.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
All right, now let's talk about the brakes. The 2017 Camaro comes standard with disc brakes all around, and they're generally pretty good. However, there have been reports of premature brake wear, especially on the front brakes. Another issue is a squeaking or grinding noise, which could be caused by worn brake pads. Another issue is a squeaking or grinding noise, which could be caused by glazed rotors. Another issue is a squeaking or grinding noise, which could be caused by brake dust. If you're hearing any strange noises, get them checked out sooner rather than later. In rare cases, owners have reported problems with the brake pedal feeling spongy or going all the way to the floor. This could be a sign of air in the brake lines. This could be a sign of a problem with the master cylinder.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Okay, let's step inside the 2017 Camaro. The interior isn't known for its luxury or high-end materials. One common gripe is that the materials feel a bit cheap and plasticky, especially in lower trim levels. Higher trim levels do get nicer materials, but it's not quite up to the same standards as some competitors. Another issue is premature wear and tear on the interior components, like seat bolsters wearing out prematurely. Some owners have also reported issues with plastic trim pieces scratching or breaking easily. Overall, the interior quality could be better.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Now, let's talk about the infotainment system. The 2017 Camaro comes standard with Chevrolet's MyLink infotainment system, which is generally user-friendly. However, it has its glitches, like being slow to respond to inputs, especially when you first start the car. Another issue is the system freezing or rebooting randomly. Some owners have also reported problems with Bluetooth connectivity, such as dropped calls or problems pairing their phones. In most cases, these issues can be resolved with a software update. Still, it's something to be aware of.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
All right, let's move on to the exterior. The 2017 Camaro is a good-looking car, but there have been complaints about the paint quality. One common issue is that the paint is thin and chips easily, especially on the front end. Some owners have also reported issues with the clear coat peeling or fading prematurely. Another issue is rust developing on the body panels, particularly around the wheel wells and the bottom of the doors. This is more common in areas with harsh winters.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Finally, let's talk about the recall history of the 2017 Camaro. Some serious recalls have involved issues with the airbags, seat belts, and brakes. It's important to make sure any recalls have been addressed before you buy a used Camaro. You can check the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, website to see if there are any open recalls on a particular Camaro. It's also a good idea to check with a Chevrolet dealer.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
So, there you have it, guys. Those are some of the most common problems with the 2017 Chevrolet Camaro. Overall, the Camaro is a reliable and fun-to-drive sports car, but it has its quirks. The key is to be informed about the potential issues so you can make an educated decision. If you're considering buying a used 2017 Camaro, get a pre-purchase inspection from a qualified mechanic. Please let us know if you have any comments, questions, or observations regarding this video, and don't forget to watch more videos by clicking on the video on the screen right now. Carhelpout.com is the best way to get a mobile mechanic auto car repair service shop on wheels to come to you. Whether you're stuck at home or on the side of the road, our mobile mechanics are ready to assist you. We bring the repair shop to your location to save you time and hassle. We also provide emergency vehicle roadside assistance, such as car battery jump start, flat tire road service, running out of gas service if your vehicle stops or has a problem on the side of the road or any business parking lot. We understand that car troubles can be stressful, so we aim to provide quick and efficient solutions to get you back on the road as soon as possible. Additionally, we offer pre-purchase used car buying inspection checkup services review. Whether you're buying from local dealership or private car owner seller, either from Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, automotive auction, or anywhere else,
Carhelpout.com.
we can help you with
It's the
PPI
convenience.
inspection. We can come to you at any location, whether it's your home driveway, your office parking lot, or even if you're stranded on the roadside.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.